he's beautiful too. I like his hairstyle. This dude is so pretty with the cool hairstyle. Oh, he's so handsome, this guy. Oh my. RM, okay, he is the leader. Yes, I don't know what is the concept of this leader in the group. Can you let me know? His name is Kim Namjoon. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So he's a producer, rapper, lead. Oh, 12th September, that's my mom's birthday. So I already have a connection there. Oh my god, that's RM? What? I would have not recognized him at all if that it was not mentioned Rap Monster. Who's that? RM? Oh my god, I'm sorry, again I paused it. You know what, ever since I reacted to that intro video, this thing is stuck in my head that people don't consider this guy as good looking. Oh my god, look at him! Are you crazy? Kim Namjoon is handsome, that's it, end of story. This guy! Oh my god, I absolutely did not read the lyrics when RM came on screen because... Oh my god, I think it took my breath away right now. Kim Namjoon is just killing me, huh? He's looking so hot. Ah! Kim Namjoon, take my heart away. Again, I didn't read the lyrics. This is becoming a problem now, guys. I love him. Oh my god, his dimples! I'm sorry, I didn't read. Oh my god, Kim Namjoon. Kim Namjoon is just... The way he's... Oh my god. Yeah. You know that line, oh my god, that line, with the wings of Icarus that you gave me, I fly not towards the sun but you. I won't be surprised if you guys tell me that this also is written by, the lyrics are written by Kim Namjoon. At this point, if you tell this to me, because that is something that is the kind of line that he would write. And for Namjoon to hold his team together, it's a big deal. I am telling you guys, Kim Namjoon is just... I don't know, I think a piece of my heart has permanently gone to this guy because, like I said, I've watched a couple of their interviews and the way he conducts himself, the way he represents his group, the way he represents his country with so much pride, so much humbleness, the way he is, you know, taking all these questions, and some of the questions I found were really ridiculous. Stop asking them about their girlfriends. Please ask them relevant questions like about loving yourself and about inspiring the youth. Like some questions I really found ridiculous, you know, and I mean, fine, ask them whatever. I mean, as if they are going to answer you who their girlfriends and boyfriends are. That's really stupid. But the way he conducts himself, and you know, I love, like, he was born to be a leader. He was born to be a leader. He came in this world to become a leader and inspire people. Even if he was not a musician, I feel he would have led whatever field that he would have been, he would have led in that. So yeah, Kim Namjoon has all my respect and love, and all the other 6 boys also have my love. I'm just saying that, I don't know, something about Namjoon just stuck with me. It's just, his personality speaks to me a lot.
I found the sunglasses and I try to wear it.
Is he very strong? Yes, he is my bias. My brain and my heart have, without telling me and warning me, have just chosen a bias automatically. This man. Yes. Kim Namjoon. Wow. He's rapping in English and he's wearing that costume and he has that hairstyle and his freaking rap voice, and he is my bias. Kill me now! What is... No, I can't take this. This much awesomeness is not good for my heart. He is stunning. This guy is stunning. Oh my god, RM looks great. Yes. Damn, Namjoon. Oh! He can't do this. This guy is just testing me. How can they say go study for exam by looking like this? Who will go and study for exams? And then he says good girl. Oh my god. I love this guy. I love Kim Namjoon. How is he sounding so sexy? Oh my god. His dimples are going to kill me one day. First time? No, dude. Thank God it's not the first time for me. Namjoon is calling me. Hey, I want to come. Yep. He's like doing, yes, Namjoon. If I have the chance, if I ever get the chance, I will come. Don't worry, I'll come to you. Oh my god, Namjoon! His eyes and his dimples. His eyes are really expressive. Thank God. Oh my god. Imagine if the rap line was also part of the song and there was like rap, and I am just imagining if Namjoon was saying your dimple is illegal, you would have probably found me, somewhere, completely fainted from those lines. Oh my god. Thank God Namjoon is not there in this. Otherwise, I would have died. I would have completely I would have been finished. Chilling, I think. My baby. I'm sorry. I'm dying. I'm trying to stay calm, but I want to scream. You can't do this to me, Kim Namjoon. You can't do this to me. Okay, I'm calming down. Oh my god, this is gonna be another crazy cringe reaction from my end. Are you seeing, Namjoon? How do you not expect me to die? Huh? I'm scared to look at him because literally, yesterday at Black Swan's, reaction, one of the armies, she's a regular viewer, she wrote that, oh my god, you are red. When Namjoon came, your face became red. So, oh my god, I don't know why he has this effect on me. This is not okay. I'm scared. I'm literally at this point, I'm scared to look at Kim Namjoon. I'm really scared to look at him. Oh! Oh my god.
Yo.
Okay. Blonde hair. Okay. Okay. I see you. Wow, even if you are far, we are looking at the same sky. Yes, yes, we are. We are. Namjoon and I are looking at the same sky. I don't know why I said that. Okay, let's pretend that did not happen. Let's pretend you can ignore what I said. I did not say it. That was not me. Why is he like this? Why is Kim Namjoon like this? Guys, I am telling you, I can't handle him. I cannot. I cannot. What is the second thing we have established, Agnes? Is that I hate Kim Namjoon now. I officially hate him. I cannot look at the guy. I'm sorry. It's impossible for me to look at him. I do not know how the F I am going to react to B and Namjoon's parts when it comes out. I can't look at the guy anymore. This is all your fault. Army, this is all your fault for introducing me to BTS. This is all your fault. I'm putting all the blame on you. Let's not blame Kim Namjoon. I hate him now. Yes, I can't look at him. But it's all your fault. Yeah. Oh. I'm not going to say anything. I'm not saying anything. I'm not going to say anything. Yeah, he's looking like that. So okay, good for him. I'm just gonna rewind a little bit. Namjoon stylist, we need to have a chat. One-on-one chat, because what you're doing is not okay. I just want to say that. I just want to put it on record. All the partners are going to be so lucky, man. I just want, for Namjoon, honestly, I want that he should get a partner with whom we can discuss philosophy and books. He seems like that kind of guy, huh? I feel he should get a partner like that. Personal opinion. What do you guys think? Namjoon also looks great. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, I'm not ready. I am not ready. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh no. Why? You know, when this photo came out, I was speechless.